Hey YouTube, wanted to make a quick video update of my Army Green Toyota Tundra TRDpro. This I made a couple of upgrades to it. As you can see, probably one of the most obvious ones will be the wheels and tires setup. As you can see, I have the fuel Sledge 18x9 offset 20. They are wrapped around the Patagonia XT from Milestar. This tire is a 35 by 12 and a half 18. And as you can see, all I had to do was remove the mud flaps from the back, and the shop that I got it had to take them had to do a little bit of trimming in the bottom, but something very minimal. No body mount shop or anything like that. There is no rubbing at all at full lock with this setup. I have the Wescott Design 3-inch kit that brings my truck up 3 inches and 1 inch from the back. So to me, this is the perfect stance. I love it. I don't plan on getting anything any higher than this. It rides amazing. The tires surprisingly quiet. Good tread also. The sidewall is very aggressive, and the cost was very good in my opinion. Was fair. So, and I kept my Fox suspension, so that was one of the things that was very important to me. This truck looks absolutely amazing. There's an awesome stance to it. The tires pop out like maybe about 1.25 inches. As you can see, there's a little poke on the back and the front, and it makes the truck look more aggressive. The stance is perfect in my opinion. I don't want it any further out than that for the offset. So the sweet spot would be offset 20 in my opinion. As you can see, I just had it washed, and paint still glossy as if it was brand new. This truck has been unbelievable, very reliable, sounds great, drives great. I have absolutely no plans on trading it or getting any of the new Tundras because I'm not a fan of the new body style. So I'm going to keep this truck as long as possible. If I make any more modifications, which I do plan to, I will post it in my channel. I'm going to put 3 amber lights right here on the grill, kind of like the Raptor style lights. But as you can see, this thing looks imposing. Those tires are perfect. Got the tow hooks painted red also. The TRD skid plate. Love this truck. Thank you for watching my channel. Thank you for subscribing. And if you have any questions about the wheel and tire setup, just let me know and I will do my best to reply. Thanks for watching and have a good one. Bye-bye. Till the next time.